Hello students, today we will learn to multiply any number by 11. So just let's see the concept. Suppose we have to multiply 13 by 11. What we need to do is we have to write this number 3 as it is and this 1 as it is, and we have to add these two numbers, that is 1 plus 3. The answer is 4. So your answer will be 143. Let's take another example. 25 multiplied by 11. What we do is we write the first number as it is, add these two numbers, 2 plus 5 is 7, and write the last number as it is. The answer is 275. Let's take another example. 75. Write the first digit as it is. Add these two digits. 5 plus 7 will be 12. So we'll write 2 over here and 1 in the subscript. 7 as it is. 7 up as it is nahi likhna. We will add this 1 in 7 and our answer will be 825. Let's take another example. 6 as it is. 6 plus 4 is 14. Write 4 and 1 added in the next number, 9. If we have to do the multiplication in a 3-digit number, let's take the situation. It's 123 multiplied by 11. Write the first digit as it is. Add these two digits, answer is 5. Add these two digits, answer is 3. Last digit as it is. Let's take a bigger number. First digit as it is. Add these two numbers, answer is 5. Add this next, answer is 11. Write 1 and keep the next one in the added up in the next digit. 7 plus 1 is 8. We'll take a bigger number. Eight as it is. First digit और last digit. लास्ट डिजिट में कैरी ऐड करने की ज़रूरत पड़े तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज ये हमेशा एज इट इज़ रहेंगे और बाकी नंबर्स को हम ऐड करेंगे इस तरह से. सो 5 plus 8 is 13. I'll write 3 over here. 1. You can write 1 over here, but do not mix in the final answer. Or it's better to keep this in the mind itself. So 3, keep the 1 in your mind. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 plus 3 is 7 and 4 as it is. We can take another example of a bigger number. Six as it is. 6 plus 3 is 9. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus 5 is 9. And 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 carry, 7, 1, 8. I hope you understood the method. Thank you.